It became our habit to keep and put papers on our pocket, whether it is a receipt from the cashier, a flyer given at the mall, or any important paper that we have to keep. This study was inspired with such habit. Why not make a helpful learning material that the students can bring and use anytime and anywhere? Allow me to present our action research entitled Utilizing Pocket Science Magazine or Pocket SciMag as a Strategic Intervention Material for List Mastered Competencies. All students have an equal opportunity to improve their academic performance and develop their list mastered skills. This is according to Cordoba and his colleagues during the 2019 DLSU Research Congress. The competency-based strategic intervention materials serve as a solution to the learners' very poor performance when it comes to developing their list mastered skills. The strategic intervention materials assist students in developing competencies that they did not master in regular classes. It can be delivered through PowerPoint, printed materials, or computerized activities. The SIM focuses only on a particular competency intended for remediation. Meanwhile, in the study of Salviejo and his colleagues in 2014, the intervention materials are highly regarded as tools for remediating learners' poor academic performance. It has been strategically prepared and designed to teach remediation to students who have low achievement in the subject. It is given to students who were unable to grasp the subject concept during regular classroom instruction. Republic Act Number 10533, otherwise known as Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013, Section 5 of the Curriculum Development states that the production and development of locally produced teaching materials shall be encouraged. In line with this Pocket Science Magazine will serve as a printed strategic intervention material, a supplement for students with the least mastered competencies. Moreover, it will revive the traditional habit of students in reading magazines like the Student Digest, Current Event Digest, Quest, Science News, and others. It's like hitting two birds in one stone. Being in the generation of modern technology, it may sound very traditional and least priority, but I believe that this material will be of great help during the remediation or intervention, especially to those students belonging to less fortunate families. Participants and other sources of data and information. The primary subject of this study were the grade 7 students enrolled at Naik Coastal Integrated National High School in the school year 2022-2023. Data gathering methods. Gathering of data in this research is divided into three phases: the administration of pretest, the utilization of Pocket SciMag, and the administration of post-test. Data analysis plan. This study applied the t-test. The total population of respondents depends on the number of students who have failed in the summative test in each learning competency. Pretest or the summative test will be given to all students, while the post-test will be given only to identified students. Comparing the result of pretest and post-test will determine the significant effect of utilizing the Pocket Science Magazine. So here are the findings. Table 1 shows the comparison of students' mastery level before and after using the Pocket Science Magazine. We have the learning competencies. We have MELC 1 to 4, the pretest scores, and the post-test scores. So the overall mean for pretest scores is 2.87, while the overall mean for post-test scores is 8.46. So we have also the graphical representation of the result. Implication: the findings of this study serve as a basis in considering the utilization of different strategic intervention material like the Pocket SciMag. Modern technologies and gadgets have brought us to internet-dependent learning, thus neglecting the importance of printed intervention materials that you can carry and use anytime and anywhere, which is the main purpose of this material. Doing an intervention while promoting reading are the two essential goals of this study. Conclusion: analysis of the results simply means that after the utilization of this Pocket Science Magazine as a strategic intervention material, a significant effect took place. A significant change in the performance and mastery level of the learners is visible. A shift from least mastered to mastered is evident. Furthermore, the results reveal that 100% of the respondents and participants have improved their mastery level. To sum up, Pocket Science Magazine, a strategic intervention material, has a significant impact or effect on the performance or mastery level of the students. For recommendations, all science teachers may adapt this study and consider the utilization of this Pocket Science Magazine as their material for intervention. Other learning areas may benchmark this practice and apply in the respective subject area. This material may also be used under the reading program, for it will promote literacy among students by encouraging them to read and comprehend, which has undermined or neglected by their addiction to gadgets and online games. These are the references that we use. This is the heart of our study. If you want them to learn, be a part of their learning. With this, thank you everyone and good day.